So today I'm going to show you how to change the engine air filter in the new 2021 Ford Bronco Sport. Hey guys, thanks for tuning in. If you have not subscribed, please subscribe. We got a lot of great videos coming up ahead. So the first thing you're going to do is pull the hood release latch twice. And then you could go pop your hood. And by the way, this is on the 1.5 liter turbo engine. This should be very similar for the 2.0 too. So obviously prop up your hood and let's get to the engine air filter. Now the first thing you're going to want to do is release the clamp holding the intake onto the air filter box. So just take a flathead screwdriver and loosen that screw and slide that clamp over, and then you will also just release this little sensor on the air box. And there's going to be two little clips, one there, and then you could pop this entire box cover right off, and obviously you have to pull off the silicone tubing that we've released the clamp to. And now we have access to the engine air filter. Now this pops out pretty easily, and once you get it out, just like so, you can go ahead and replace it. Now you should be able to see light through a brand new filter such as this one, or it will be nice and dark and filled with dirt on an old one. So right here is the Ford part number, JX61-9601-AA, and I'll link that in the description so you guys can find it on Amazon. Now, replacing the engine air filter is just as easy as taking it out. All you have to do is make sure that side is up and that side is down, and it should seal in pretty well. And also, if you find any dirt and debris inside the air filter box, make sure to clear it out. Now, when putting this cover back on, there's going to be a few little tabs you need to make sure are in the right place when you put this back, and I'll show you that in a second. And here they are right there. You can see there's a little tab right there. It just needs to pop into the back right there. And there's a little tab on the opposite side that does the exact same thing. Once those are in place, you're going to make sure to go ahead and push those little tabs that we popped off in place, one right there and one right here, and then obviously plug back in our little sensor, and then we slide the clamp over and take our flathead screwdriver and just do the reverse of what we did originally, which we just tighten the screw back up. And again, I will make sure to link any product you may need in the description, and make sure to get this done by yourself. There's no reason to get anybody else to do this for you. It's a quick, fast, simple, easy job that anyone can do. Now let's just pop back our hood, and then the whole entire job is finished. Push the hood down nice and carefully, and there we go. Thanks for watching the video, guys. I'm glad you got to the end, and if you guys want to leave a comment down below to say how this helped you, or if you have any suggestions, go right ahead, and please like this video and subscribe for more content such as this. It will really help my channel out. Thank you.